guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting, I'm sharing with you guys a really nice gift idea that you can gift someone who is on a low carb, low sugar journey. So it is a struggle during the holiday times to find something that we can eat. So if you're doing low carb, if you're doing keto, the struggle is real. But you guys don't worry, because I have the perfect gift that you can give to that person, and it is Smart Sweets. You guys have heard me talk about Smart Sweets all the time, and my favorite, 100% favorite flavor that they have is the berry fish. You guys, these are so good. They even have like a slight taste of like cotton candy. It is so stinking good. And the texture of these gummies are one of my favorite like textures of gummies I've ever had. I don't like the sour ones, and I don't like the peach ones. I don't like the like powdery stuff that they put on them. But this one, I could have one of these every single night. I have had them every single night at some point. So they were so sweet, and they sent over a dozen of these to me because they know how much I love them. So you can find Smart Sweets at your local Target, Whole Foods. I also think Sprouts carries them, and I think Wegmans carries them. And you could shop online. So I actually have a link for you guys. So if you opt to shop online, then you can go ahead and get some free shipping. But this is the perfect like sweet treat to gift anyone who is on a low carb journey, someone who's following keto. So just take it from me, someone who is on that type of journey, this would be the absolute best thing to gift me if you were ever to gift me food, is always the Smart Sweet, the sweet fish. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's A Couponer's Guide to Gifting. And in the comment section below, I want to know what your favorite gummy candy is of all time. And that is how you're going to be entering my huge holiday giveaway. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.